how to remove the stem for the Orientex watch. Now this one was a bit tough because there's no buttons or things to push on it. And this is a Thailand movement, represented by that engraving right there. But none of these little holes here did anything to help with the stem removal at all. So if you try to do it, see, it's in there. After a while of investigating and looking at it closer, I realized that this screw needs to be removed. So let's push this back in. We're going to remove the screw, and that's going to release the stem. So we're going to use this tool right here with a little flathead. And this is to remove the screw. Okay, now that we remove the screw, let's see if we can get the stem out. Yep. So there it is. We can just put it in again. And in order to lock it, we're just going to put this screw back in. But yeah, that's how you remove the stem from Thailand Movement on Orientex watch.